Buongiorno paesani! So I was sitting here on the balcony enjoying the silence, the birds. It's not too hot. There's a nice breeze. I'm listening to the pool water. And you know what happened? Mi stava appinniciando. What does that mean? It means I was about to fall asleep and take a nap. In Italian we say fare il riposino or te fa un pisulinu. It's a way to say that you're taking a nap or you fall asleep. So yeah, this peacefulness, mi stava appinicchiando, maybe non sonno. I was knocking on nails and I was falling asleep. So that's it for today. Allora, continuate a iscrivervi a YouTube, canale Italiani di Montreal e Amici per più video, per non mancarne uno. So please subscribe if you already haven't to the Italiani di Montreal e Amici YouTube channel for you not to miss any of my videos, and keep watching. On that note, a little bit of motivation. Motivation, it takes a lot to motivate yourself because there's a lot of things that bring us down, that discourage us. I myself sometimes need my own motivation. So if you can't live day by day, live hour by hour. Take it slow and just take a breath. You gotta breathe. Remember to breathe. We kind of forget to breathe. We overwhelm ourselves. Prendi un sospiro, respira bene, così troverai la tua motivazione per affrontare la giornata. E se non vuoi fare un giorno alla volta, fai un'ora alla volta. Piano piano ci riusciremo. Allora anch'io ho bisogno di motivazione perché la vita non è facile per nessuno e quindi cerco di motivarmi e motivare anche voi. Continuate a guardare i video, please continue to watch the videos e come sempre ci vediamo presto. Salutamu!